Hello my friends, welcome to Training Weekends. Today is 24 of December 2024 so today is Christmas Eve so happy Christmas Eve and Merry Christmas to all of you who are celebrating Christmas Okay, before we start check out disclaimer first.
Disclaimer: be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs.
Okay, so today really doing video at the 5-star hotel in the near this lobby because in the room the kids are very noisy so just have to do it outside Okay, so let's check out the news KLCI global first. Now it's 5 o'clock so market close Okay, 1602 KLCI BURSA up close above 1006 Okay, 16.97 points up, 0.425% up. Singapore up 0.459%, Hong Kong up 1.082%, South Korea dropped 0.061%, Japan dropped 0.318%, China FTSE up 1.339%, China SXSE up 1.261%, China SXSE up 1.272%, Australia up 0.235%, Taiwan up 0.068%, and Nifty India dropped 0.076%. So some momentum Santa Claus momentum Okay, in Asia Europe up a bit FTSE UK up 0.303 and DAX dropped 0.181 so not so strong Europe. Look at US Dow Jones up 0.156%, NYSE up 0.459% and S&P up 0.729%. Nasdaq up 0.982 so some momentum for the Christmas Okay, so look at palm oil 482 not strong anymore. Brent oil 72, crude oil 69 not so strong. Gold 2632 also not so strong. Silver 30.24, dollar 4.48. So US today half day only their market. Bitcoin now 94 drop a bit people taking money for celebration Okay, Ethereum 23408 Okay, still not too bad Okay, look at BURSA okay, 1602 okay, close 6.79 points up 0.43%. Volume very small today, 2.015 billion expected Okay, market sentiment 53, gainers 500, losers 427 so closing hours they push it a bit looks nicer for Christmas. Unchanged is 534, untraded is 962. Okay, look at today Genetech up a bit but drop in the evening. One zone not bad today. CAPITALA, LW Sabah also quite strong. Okay, let's check out this sector. Construction drop 0.64 all in percentage. Drop 0.64. Consumer drop 0.13. Energy consumer up 0.13. Energy up 0.49. Finance up 0.12. Healthcare drop 0.15. Industry drop 0.08. Plantation up 0.04. Property drop 0.66. REIT up 0.17. Technology up 0.09. Telco up 0.32. Transportation drop 0.06. Utilities up 0.39. Okay, look at the chart. KLCI. No doubt up a bit but still in this consolidation sideways pattern nothing much happening Okay, still in this sideways pattern something this like this Okay, it's still sideways Okay, Ace market up a bit 0.65, minor momentum during closing hour small cap not much 0.03 drop. Small cap 0.14 up, slight momentum sector not much happening. Okay, look at Facebook. Okay. Okay. Oh, some wishes today we got some wishes from me. Me say Merry Christmas, KLSE. Merry Christmas to everyone. She said this year good how do you call that, good good profit lah. I hope everyone also get good profit for the market remember, learn the kung fu and okay, practice one of these days you'll be profitable long term also lah. Okay, learn the proper kung fu first. Congratulations me, hopefully you also make a lot lah. Okay, Sky, Christmas Eve Christmas Eve, happy Christmas Eve. Me, Merry Christmas. Shen, Merry Christmas. Sifu, Merry Christmas. SS May, Merry Christmas. Okay, let's look at others. Oh, today quite a bit quiet Today quiet Facebook also quiet A lot of you also I think on holiday already, right? Hebat CK. Eugene, very summer so market me roller coaster again Merry Christmas. Darren not so happy today. Darren, hey, not so happy today. Hey, also got me Merry Christmas when me SS May. Okay, so let's check out the news Okay, so Coaster win a large scale solar PV project okay, in Sabah so good for this Coaster. Let's check out Coaster. Okay, Coaster got chance Coaster might have a double bottom so Coaster already dropped. Now it's trying to make a double bottom 1.43. As long as say above 1.43, I think got chance to go Okay, this one go higher 1.86, maybe higher also. Asia in talk to buy new aircraft as part of the expansion strategy so they want to buy more aircraft is good So US crypto industry eye possible day one Trump executive order, so they expect Trump go step in only okay, starting to push the crypto Okay, Capital A submit regularization plan to exit PN17 so already submitted on Monday They expect exit by next year next year. Okay, I think mid of next year. First quarter they expect first quarter 2025 okay, to exit this PN17 Okay, Tony Fernandez actually okay. The Capital A still stuck at the top channel not very good unless it stay above the top channel, at least stay above 1 ringgit Okay, but because you see they are unable to break out from the top channel okay, and they haven't made a very good rebound pattern yet this one maybe wait a bit. Okay, HT Padu founder daughter resigned as group CEO now former Maybank exec to lead Okay, so there's some changes there HT Padu. Okay, still retracing. We have to wait HT Padu. Okay, utilities still have room to run electricity demand surge. APEC joint coverage with overweight call Okay, so they still expect this utility to do well especially top pick Malakov and Tenaga. Let's take a look. Malakov. Malakov still coming down. We have to wait it. I think after it go lower after it make reversal pattern, I think Malakov got chance As I say utilities already too high. If they after they drop, I think got chance Okay, the Naga also very high Okay, the Naga also very high. Okay, maybe wait for a drop first or it break 14.84. If it break 14.84, maybe got chance to go Okay, still now it's consolidating Okay. Consolidating. Maybe got a pattern like that. Okay. So we have to wait Okay. Look at top gainers, like, share, comment, support the channel. Okay, Genetech, Dayang, Notion, Dialogue. Okay. Genentech morning got momentum lah. Volume 22 to 41 million, so still got some volume, but drop back in the evening, not very convincing. Okay, if we can stay above 1.3 better lah. Now it's exactly 1.3 because got a sell down, still not very convincing yet lah. Okay, but it cannot drop below 1.13 lah. If drop below 1.13 then danger lah. Okay. Notion I think chance to run lah. Let's see Notion. Okay, Notion still stuck. Still going slowly lah. Okay, still 1.55 still achievable lah. Just wait lah. Okay, you need to stay above 1.15 lah. Okay. Dialogue. Okay, dialogue maybe can rebound. If it break through, if double bottom break through 1.9, then you watch. Okay, you got chance to go for dialogue. Okay. Watch dialogue. Okay. B auto. B auto dropping not so good. LW Sabah. Okay, LW Sabah got chance. Look like head and shoulder. LW, as long as it got no big red candle, I think LW Sabah is moving lah, but it might get some resistance at 0.95. If you can break through, then I think still got chance to go. Okay, not overbought yet. Still got chance to go. Toyawan. Toyawan, you have to watch 0.69. You need to break out 0.69 better lah. Because it's still consolidating here lah. Okay. The big resistance is 0.69 lah. Short term maybe can go to 0.69, but the breakout of 0.69 better lah. Okay, for longer term. Okay, so that's it for today lah. I'll talk to you again tomorrow lah. So Merry Christmas. Okay, I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Bye bye.